is Supriya Shetty, clinical dietitian, and today I'm going to be talking to you about immunity boosting foods. In these trying times of COVID, of course there is so much happening around us and it's so hard for us to control anything that is happening around us. But something that we can control is what is happening inside us. So that is exactly what we're trying to do today, and that is exactly what I'm going to be telling you how we could do today. Immunity boosting foods are foods that can boost our immunity and that can help us improve our system in a way that when the deadly COVID tends to attack us, we can take on with great vigor and great vitality. To begin with, the first and the most important thing that we could do is wash our vegetables well and try our best not to have raw vegetables. Because when we do that, we're carrying all the bacteria, virus that is coming into our houses. And no matter how hard we try, a lot of times a lot of things are just left behind. So that is one thing that we'll try to do. We'll try to wash our vegetables well. Try not to eat raw vegetables. Try not to have meat in these times. Another thing that we can do is we can try and include vitamin C rich foods. These would be foods like oranges or citrus foods or amla and all of those that we could increase, which would definitely help us increase our immunity. Apart from that, we could also try and include probiotics and prebiotics in our meals. These are things like curd or kimchi or sauerkraut or something of that sort that we could include in our meals, and that would definitely in turn help us to try and understand how we can take care of our gut health. In these times, the gut health is what is most important, and that is something that would definitely take us forward with a strong immunity. Including these kinds of foods will definitely help us improve our gut microflora, where we would be having better amount of good bacteria in comparison to the bad bacteria in our system. One other most important area that we need to concentrate on is the hydration. We have to stay hydrated all throughout the day, because that is something that tends to leave us through time because of the high rate of metabolism and these kinds of infection. Stay hydrated, try and have various kinds of infused waters, try and have a lot of soups, or try and have rasams if that is possible, or kadhas if that is possible. Right? That is one way that we can stay hydrated through the day. Another small tip that I would want to give you is that increase protein-rich meals in your diet. During these times, the catabolism, which is the muscle breakdown, tends to happen very often. We do not want too much of muscle to break down through the times, and while that is going on, we do not want catabolism to happen, which means that the muscle that is breaking down needs protein in order to build again. We'll try and include as much protein-rich meals as possible. That's all for now. Let's connect as soon as possible and let's see what more we could do. Until then, stay safe, stay hydrated, stay happy.